Today we're going to Walmart to try Palmer's new hair care collection. This collection caught my eye because it's specifically for damaged hair bonds, and I noticed that I can show my ends more love, especially when wearing my protective styles. My ends are the first thing to get super dry, and that's what starts the breakage. So I'm going in with their deep conditioning bonding mask, really focusing on saturating my ends first because they need the most amount of love. And I noticed that this texture is super thick. As a 4C girly, I really appreciate this. It makes detangling and coating each strand super easy. Most of my damage does come from styling, so I've been trying not to manipulate my hair as much and deep conditioning every week versus every 2 weeks. After washing that out, I paired it with their leave-in treatment, and I noticed the slip is really good on this. Y'all know the true test for me is going in with my fingers first to detangle, and you can see that brush is just gliding through. Now, I don't usually go for spray leave-ins, but I noticed that this is kind of a combo of a spray and a cream. It also acts as a heat protectant, so I thought I'd just stretch out my hair on some low heat, and the results definitely gave strong and smooth. Like, I couldn't stop touching my hair, but that's my problem. I touch, and manipulate, but it made it really easy to do my flat twist out back. Usually by this point, my arms, my shoulders, everything is tired. I might need a stretch break, but it wasn't as tired. Now, I know restoring damaged hair and bonds does take time, and it takes a nice routine, but in terms of my hair feeling restored and moisturized, I definitely give this a solid 10 out of 10.